I cannot let up. I cannot let up.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As y'all seen by that title in that thumbnail, we gonna be cooking. Well, I'm gonna be cooking today. I'm cooking some steak potatoes and mushrooms. But yeah, we finna go to Walmart. I'm back home and I got the steak. Okay, y'all, so I done seasoned the steak. Now I'm finna wrap it in aluminum foil. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, let it sit for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that, so the seasoning can like soak in. So while we gonna be waiting on that to season, well, I guess soak, I'm gonna start cutting up my potatoes, and then I'm gonna season it too. And I use the same seasoning that I put on my steak, I put on my potatoes, and I put on my mushrooms. So I use the same stuff for everything. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna go and rinse off the potatoes and cut them up. It's okay if you put a lot of seasoning because I'm gonna mix it together. And we gonna deep fry the potatoes. That's the best way to do it. I don't put them in the oven. So we finna, I don't know why I keep saying we. I'm finna put some aluminum foil on top of my bowl. It's in the refrigerator. You know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all. So everything's done. Cooking, the steak done, the potatoes done. I just gotta put them in the pot and put some minced garlic. And the mushrooms still kind of soaking a little bit. I'm gonna let it soak a little bit more. And I get some of this minced garlic and I put it in here, and then I put my potatoes in there. Y'all, this is my steak, my potato, and my mushrooms. Y'all can see I use the same seasoning for everything, and this is what it looks like. This is really good, y'all. So if y'all want some good steak and potato stuff, make sure y'all do my recipe. Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me cook my food. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.
I cannot let up.